Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jeremy from Octane TV. Today we're going to be talking about these Tozo. If I pronounce that wrong, I'm terribly sorry. It's T-O-Z-O. These are wireless Bluetooth earbuds. These were sent to me. I did not get paid for making this video, but today we're going to go over some of the features, some of the things that I like, some of the things I don't like, but we're going to be going over these Bluetooth earbuds, and I can tell you I have a lot of experience with these because I have about 10 sets of my own personal earbuds. So we'll go over these today and kind of tell you some of the good things we love and some of the things that we don't love so much. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jeremy from Octane TV. We want to welcome you guys to the show today, and on this particular episode we're going to be going over a set of these Tozo. If I'm saying that wrong, I'm terribly sorry. The T-O-Z-O Bluetooth earbuds. These were sent to me to do a review on. I did not get paid to make this review, but we are going to be 100% truthful and honest about this review, even though these were sent to me. Like I said, I was not paid to make this video, so I'm going to give you a 100% honest and brutal opinion of what I think on these. Also, I own a tremendous amount of earbuds. I have about 10 pairs myself from Sony, from JLab, from a lot of different companies, and I'm very particular about my earbuds. So this will be a very good video to let you guys know what I really truly think about these. So we're gonna do an unboxing, a review, kind of the things that we like, the things that we don't like. So we're gonna go over all that today in this video. So stay tuned. We're gonna go over all the details of what these Bluetooth earbuds have to offer. First off, I wanna say that they do come in a very nice box. This is the sleeve that it comes with. I'm gonna kind of show you what this looks like. This is the particular model right here, which are the T6. This is made by Tozo is what I would pronounce it, but T-O-Z-O if I'm saying that any way wrong. And here is the box right here. We're gonna open this up. It does come with a little pouch in here that does come with the instruction. Right there, you got your instructions and everything inside of there. Wow, these are tiny. This is a tiny little capsule right here. That's crazy. So it does come in this very small capsule. I'll take all this stuff off, all the packaging and everything like that. Here is the case itself. It does have 4 LED indicators down here, and they do feel very sturdy. Wow, I really like these. Man, it doesn't feel like cheap plastic like some of the other ones I've bought. These actually feel very sturdy. So we'll go through everything. It feels very sturdy. That's one thing I can say about it. The build is very nice. It's not like cheap plastic. It does even come with this really soft foam right in here that holds it into place. And then we do have, it appears, yeah, you got your USB, so it's gonna have your USB charging cables. Let me go everything it's gonna come with in here. It does come with all these different size pieces for your ears, your USB to type C, and then your case right here with your earbuds, instruction manuals, and then obviously the outer shell of the case that it comes with. So this is all the components that it will actually come with right here. So I went ahead and pulled one of them out so you can see it, and it is very, very nice quality. I will say that it is a very nice quality piece. Yeah, so here is the actual earbud itself. It's kind of hard to see when it's in my hands, but it is very, very nice. If you like these style, I do have these in JLab and other companies, so these are very nice. I'm going to try to fit it in my ear and just see how it fits. I might have to change these pieces right here. So one thing I do notice right off the bat is it does have indicators on there in red that they are charging when they are put in there. I took the sticky parts off, and these do light up white to let you know that this case is charged. They did come with stickers in the bottom of them protecting them from, you know, discharging or recharging, but they are charging right now. So what I'll do is I'll do some sound test and see if I need to change these out and kind of see what these actually sound like and how fast they connect and everything like that. Okay, so I'm listening to these right now. Sorry if I'm talking extremely loud, but the one thing I will tell you is when they're in my ear and they're not all the way in, they're not very loud, but you can still hear the outside. So I'll take one out right now. So the way that this is made is if it's just sitting on the edge of my ear and it doesn't hurt, can't tell it's even there, when this little piece is just sitting on the edge of my ear, it's not very loud. I'm not sure why, maybe because it's not completely down in my ear, but when you push it down into your ear and this little piece goes around right here, I'll kind of show you that the way it is. But when that bad boy gets down in your ear, it blocks out all the outside noise and it gets extremely loud. So for a guy like me, I like to walk around with one earbud in while I'm working so I can still hear what's going on. This works really well because it kind of blocks this one and it's very loud with one, comparable to having both of these in here. So these do sound really good. I will say this. This is the only earbud I've ever put in my ear that does not irritate or bother my ear. So that's a very big plus. These do not, like when they're in my ear, I can barely even tell they're in my ear. Now the other disadvantage I can tell you of other earbuds that I have, the only one that even comes close to this is my Sony's, is when they're in my ear and you can't tell they're in there and I'm moving around and I'm working and everything else and my head is bouncing around, what will end up happening is they will try to fall out of my ear, especially when I'm leaning over or I'm moving something, it will try to fall out of my ear. These don't feel like they're gonna fall out at all. Like they are so comfortable. So I will say that these are, you know, there's the gloss black on it. I mean, this is a very nice earpiece. It reminds me of my Tozo or my JLabs, but the JLabs are super cheap. I will give them that. They're extremely inexpensive. To me, they're disposable earbuds, but these are very nice. The JLab ones hurt my ears. A lot of the cheaper ones, they hurt my ears because the way they stick in there, and it irritates my ear immediately, especially if I wear it in there for an extended period of time. This does not do that at all. It actually just fits right in. And if I actually paused it with the button, you can pause it by touching it. So if you touch it, it will pause it, and then touch it again, it will replay. I'm barely touching it. Like you can just rub your finger over it basically. But sitting in my ear like this, it's very comfortable. But then I can take it and push it way further down in there. It's way louder, but it's still comfortable. It doesn't irritate my ears by any means. So it just sits right in there and it fits really well. These are probably some of the best earbuds I've used so far. So I'll kind of show you guys how it sits in there. There's that. I have zero complaints so far. Now I need to do a longevity test with these and see how long they last. If it put in my ears for an extended period of time, to where you could see if it's going to cause any kind of issues. They come out extremely easy. They go right into the case with zero issues as well, because the magnets pull them out and boom, they just fall right in. And then there's what they look like when they're in the case. And like I said, they have red LEDs for charging, and then they also have these 4 LEDs down here. It does use Type-C, which is, I can't use anything but Type-C. If you give me earbuds that don't have Type-C, I won't even use them. So the case looks plastic, but it feels like metal. It's crazy. Like it feels like it's got weight to it. It doesn't feel like a cheap plastic case like the cheap ones I buy. So as of right now, these are really good. So I need to do some durability tests, some longevity tests with them, see how they kind of go. We'll see how this goes. Right now, I'd rate these probably, in my opinion, a 9 or a 9.5 out of 10 so far. They have zero, I have no negatives about them. We'll see if that changes here soon. So I'm gonna make some more videos. I'll put that in this one, and I'll probably make more videos after this to kind of tell you guys what I think with an extended period of time.